I'm using the AB Glitz Braid Aid Tool. Just watch this. So I always part out my first stitch with my comb just for it easier to pick up the rest of the hair. Putting on my Braid Aid tools right now. Boom, back at it. I couldn't figure out how to braid with both of them on either fingers, so I just used them on one hand. And just watch this. Like, this tool is awesome. Literally, it cut down my stitch braiding time like by 30 or 40 minutes, I believe. Like, and it makes my stitches super clean. Just watch. Like, look at how convenient that is. It's super convenient. Now check this out. Whose stitches y'all know look this clean, whether I'm using the comb or the Braid Aid tool? Like, whose stitches y'all know? Whose?